Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt tired, even after sleeping? Unmotivated, even when you want to change? You look at your goals, your plans, your old dreams, and you think, why can't I be like I used to be? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're burned out. And today, I'm going to show you how to slowly, realistically, get your life back. Burnout isn't just being tired. It's waking up with no energy, no excitement, no drive. It's opening your laptop and feeling overwhelmed instantly. It's watching other people succeed and feeling stuck. You procrastinate. You scroll. You avoid. Not because you don't care, because you care too much. For too long, without rest. That's burnout. And the first step to healing is admitting, I'm exhausted. And that's okay. When people realize they're burned out, they usually do this. New routine, new mindset, new life. Starting Monday, gym, studying, waking up early, no phone, perfect schedule for 3 days, then crash. Why? Because burnout doesn't need pressure. It needs permission to recover. You don't rebuild a broken leg by running on it. So stop trying to fix your whole life. Fix one small thing first. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You can be motivated on an empty battery. Before chasing goals, ask, am I sleeping enough? Am I eating real food? Am I moving my body at all? Am I always on my phone? Start here. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Drink more water. Take short walks. Stretch. It sounds basic, but energy is the foundation of everything. No energy equals no discipline. When you're burned out, big goals feel scary. Start a business. Get fit. Study harder. Your brain hears more stress, so it shuts down. Instead, aim for tiny wins. Make your bed. Read one page. Write one sentence. Clean one corner. That's it. Small wins rebuild confidence. And confidence creates momentum. You don't need motivation first. You need proof that you can still move. Some things drain you quietly. You don't notice them, but they're killing your recovery. Like scrolling for hours, comparing yourself to others, saying yes to everything, negative self-talk. Always being busy, ask yourself, what makes me feel worse after I do it? Reduce that. Protect your peace. Burnout heals faster in calm environments. When you're burned out, your inner voice becomes cruel. You're wasting time. You fell off. You're behind. That voice doesn't help. It hurts. Try this instead. I'm healing. I'm rebuilding. I'm learning again. Speak to yourself like you would to a friend. Self-respect creates strength. Self-hate creates paralysis. Choose wisely. You don't need a military schedule. You need a gentle structure. Something like wake up, drink water, stretch, work for 30 minutes, break, walk, eat, rest, small task, relax, no perfection. No punishment. Consistency beats intensity. Every time. Here's what recovery really looks like. Some good days. Some bad days. Progress. Then setbacks. Motivation. Then doubt. That's normal. Healing isn't a straight line. It's a messy climb. Don't quit because today feels slow. Slow is still forward. So let's bring it together. If you're burned out, rebuild energy first. Start with small wins. Remove energy drains. Speak kindly to yourself. Follow a soft routine. You're not weak. You survived overload. Now you're rebuilding. And that takes courage. Tonight, don't try to change everything. Do one small thing. Go to bed earlier. Clean one space. Write one line. Take one walk. Start there. And tomorrow, we build again. Together. Blue Heart.